Hi everyone, it's Stamping Within with an unboxing video for you. Yay! Right, I've got about three things here actually. I'll do them in order of arrival. First one to arrive was Stampin' Up. I've got some cute little, what are they, Monster Bash enamel shapes. There you go, hope you can see those. Like cute crows and skulls and gravestones, dots. Yeah, what's not to like about that? Finally got my hands on the sprig punch even. Put your teeth back in. I've been after this a while. But every time I want it, I keep forgetting to order it. Never mind, I've got it now. So yeah, lovely punch. Great for adding extra little bits to your flowers and things. Brilliant. I've got a bundle, the Fancy Phrases bundle, sending a little smile your way. Keep it in case you need it sometime. Birthday wishes. I count you twice. Oh, when I count my blessings. And that's a beautiful flower to colour. I'm going to have fun with that with my stamping blends. It's a cling stamp set, so it's our red rubber. There we go. Just put this into that faces that way, that faces that way. There we go, beautiful. Comes with a punch as part of a bundle. Save 10% when you buy them both together. This is the Fancy Tag Topper Punch. You can never have too many tag topper punches. Just as a bit of variety, yeah. Looks like it's a 2-inch jobby again. There's my ruler. Yeah, 2 inches. Lovely. And there's a bit of a. You see those marks there? I'm going to get up. Ouch! Right, I don't know. I'm trying to get so the light come. You see those marks there? That's so you can layer. So, you know, you could do some DSP or a coloured piece of cardstock the full width, and then some Whisper White or something else on the slightly smaller bit, and you'll be able to layer. Isn't that cool? Brilliant idea, love it. Running low on black cardstock, so just got a pack of that. Put that on there. Stampin' Up held a recruiting challenge, and I think, if I read it right, if Stampin' Up made the total what they wanted to reach, I can't remember what it was now, they would send a demonstrator 2 packs of Whisper White. So I redeemed my 2 packs, only it wasn't 2 packs. For some reason, I got 4 packs. So no idea what I'm going to do with it. Well, yeah, you know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to stamp on it, make it pretty. So I can only assume that I got 2 packs because Stampin' Up won their side of the challenge, and because I also recruited, I got 2. I don't know. It might just be a glitch in the system. No idea. But I won't be buying any more Whisper White for a little while. And then something very pretty. Here we go. This is my silver award. Let's get this is actually, I bought, let me just, there we go. See if I can get stuff like that. Put it in the box and see what's inside it. When you reach a certain title, silver, gold, platinum, Stampin' Up rewards you, with points that you can spend on stuff and with an item. I had the choice of a silver money clip, because I've just promoted to silver, or a necklace. Well, as my darling Liz funds my hobby, I got the necklace so she could have it. So I'm going to stand up again. This is doing my back no good. Oh, my sciatica, I should say. It's not the back. Well, it is the back. Yeah, anyway. Congratulations on reaching the title of silver. You can see I've not even opened this yet. And clean with warm water and mild liquid soap. That's just some care instructions. Lovely. And then we get some lovely tissue paper. Oh, look at that. And that's a Swarovski crystal, is it? Can I zoom in on that? There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? And Stampin' Up on the, is there? That's not two necklaces, is it? I've not got an old one and a new one, have I? This is live, as you can see. It looks like that was the... No, I think it's just one necklace. Watch me barf it up. Yes, there we go. Yes. So you get a little, so there's the clasp. Oops, there we go. And you get a little Stampin' Up thing there. And then there is the actual crystal and Stampin' Up on the fronts. Beautiful. It is really beautiful. I'm so chuffed with that, and I hope Liz likes it as well. I shall put it back all in its box, and I shall give it to her tonight. So there's that. That's the Stampin' Up done. I then had some happy mail from the lovely Leanne, who's in one of the groups I admin, Stamp with Joy. Lovely lady. I'll put this to one side. And I've had to put it in a box. This huge envelope arrived. A beautiful card. Look at that, London buses. Good show, old chap. What? Hey ho. Lovely card. Made by Lily Crafts. This card was made by hand. If you throw it away, those same hands will make a doll in your image and stick pins in its butt. Is that not hilarious? There we go. So we get, oh, I just bashed the camera there. Do apologise. And then to my fave demo, Leanne. Ah, hello Ian. This is supposed to be surprise happy mail, but we all know I can't hold my own pee when in chat. I wanted to thank you for the catalogues and the lovely gifts in one main catalogue. I hope you can find the closing embellishments of some use. Just a few little bits from my stash. Hope you're feeling better by the time this reaches you. If not, this can brighten your day. It did brighten my day, Leanne. Toodle pips, mucker. It brightened my day a hell of a lot, actually. So thank you so much. There's all sorts of goodies in here. I must confess, though, Leanne and everybody else, Liz has always snaffled most of this. She wants it for her little spot of crafting. So there's bags and bags of these little shiny things, and bags of, oh, that's Merry Christmas, golden red things. Beautiful. Some stickers. Thank you, stickers. And it goes on. Look at this, all shiny flowers, wooden elements. Purple. So I'm guessing that's purple stuff. Hysterical. Die cuts. flowers, metal embellishments, beautiful, more die cuts, more metal stuff, at some point I'll have to get all this out, but I'm terrified because it won't go back. Pearls, beautiful, sticky embellishments, different colours, more little shiny things, more shiny things. Oh, I like that. That would look gorgeous on some ephemera or like a vintage project. Yeah, love that. I might nick that actually. Washi tape, more shiny things, die cut. Oh, look at that little bumblebee. Lovely. One or two of the bags exploded inside the envelope, Leanne. Die cuts, tags, beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful, they are. Oh, I'm going to make use of these. Oh, different sizes. Beautiful, thank you. And the envelope kind of exploded. So this all sorts of, but look at that, it's just amazing. And thank you so much for your kindness. Lob it all back. I need a better box because things are flying out the sides. Oh dear. It was such a surprise. Such a lovely, gorgeous surprise. Thank you. The third thing to arrive was a beautiful card from my outline Helen. My heart is grateful for you. How beautiful. I may have to get this paper now that I've seen it in real life. And to Ian, great job. Hope you're both keeping well. Yeah, it's another voucher. Collect as many vouchers as you like and post back to Helen to redeem within 6 months. So yeah, so that's going on the pile. I've got a few more, as Helen knows. So I shall find something in the catalogue and buy them. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing jobby. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. And then you'll always know when I've got a premiere planned. There are always premieres like now, so I can chat along with you while the video plays. So whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!